Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. Welcome, everyone. So, sorry, I'm laughing because my dog doing something crazy. Okay, let's get focused here. So welcome, everyone. I know we're back at it. We're back. Live streaming is back. Every Tuesday morning now, starting around like 7:30 ish. I don't like to have like schedule anymore, and I only stream. Live stream, live session on Tuesday now these days. So that's why I'm gonna need your help, man. We need to let know everyone that we are back at it. So make sure to smash the like button as you come in. And yes, as you can see, my AC is running right now in the house. That's why I'm wearing my hoodie. It's freaking cold right now. I feel like winter. Um, oh well. All right, so welcome to the new people. So basically, what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be trading live with you. We're going to break down some charts, analyze some charts for you. So if you want me to review your charts, send it to me. It will be my pleasure to look at it. And yeah, so let's jump into it. Let's jump into it. Enough talking. And as you come in, please let me know, say hi, and let me know like where you guys from. And we're gonna get started right now. All right, so okay, guys. So let's jump into it. Whoa, why am I trading you so slow? What's going on here? Give me one sec here. What? What's going on here? Let's do a refresh. There we go. Okay, perfect. Excellent. There we go. Okay, let's put the screen bigger. There we go. Hopefully the sound is good. But let's get started. Let's get it started in here. Okay, let's go to weekly. All right, so if you look at a weekly time frame here, and by the way, hopefully the sound is good. Can you guys hear me? And I have no clue. Like my YouTube studio is kind of freaking out right now, so I don't even know if I'm talking to myself or if there's people. I have no clue, but hey, who cares? Hopefully, you guys gonna be watching the replay and you guys gonna learn something. Okay. All right. So if you're looking at this is the weekly time frame, and we've been pushing up. We're bullish on the weekly. Now we did tap this weekly resistance here, and we rejected it. So now we can expect a pullback on the weekly. If you look at this, it's either. Damn, I'm looking for my tools here. There we go. So if you look here, we can have a pullback like way down here, which will be in sync with the previous resistance that was broken and never retested. Okay. So that might be a dip down right here before pushing back up. But let's see, we have other area that might bounce back before that, like right here. Okay. So right here is a daily area of interest. So if you look to the left, you'll see that this area, resistance here, those wick, resistance, resistance, and I'm sure if we go further, we'll see some more. Okay, but pretty strong area. This is also a major QP. So this was my first area to look for a rejection. And if you remember that couple days ago, I when we had this candle, I said we're gonna have a retracement all the way down here, which is the daily golden zone, major QP, daily area of interest. I mean, like everything's in sync. Okay, so and right now we're rejecting with a daily engulfing candle. So now let's go take a look at the weekly. Not weekly. What am I saying? The 4 hour time frame. So if you look at the 4 hour time frame, now we've been bullish now. Okay, so the 4 hour was. Let me grab this arrow. So the 4 hour was bearish now. And once we broke here, we broke structure, we became bullish. So now we can expect a pullback and up. So that's why here at this note, since I think it was since Friday. I think I wrote this Friday or either Friday or Monday. I can't remember. But I wrote this and I placed this randomly. Said, hey, let's wait for a H4 high low potential, and from there I can buy to the upside. Okay, those two buys were scalps based on the H4 dogtail setups. So two position on that one was pretty good. Did I broke down those one on Thursday night? I don't. Oh no, those one was Friday. So I'm gonna break those down on because there's one of the two position that was traded on the I think it was on the 5 minute or the 15 minute, but I'm gonna break down those on Thursday night. So that's why I'm leaving those there. This I can remove. Yeah, so basically just waiting now for this H4 pullback. And if you look at your fib, boom. So we can expect this pullback around this area, which like the 50 is, yeah, with the previous structure right here. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense, makes sense. So let's establish this. There's going to be a lot of drawing on this one, so I'm going to remove some stuff here. H4 golden zone, trying to keep my chart clean, so let's remove this. Let's remove this arrow, we know by now. All right, what was that dark line here? Oh, that was the 3-2. There was a zone. Okay, perfect. Okay, already feeling better. Less lines. Okay, guys, as you come in, don't forget to smash the like button. Now for scalp wise, okay, so this is for the swing, and TP can be like all the way up here, or if you look at the weekly, yeah, after that, man, after 171 279, let's go check to the left. Just I'm curious. Okay, here. Oh, yo, after that, after 173 major QP, whoa, holy, it's gonna be clean, clean, clean. Okay, so but we're not there yet. Okay, so now let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's talk about some scalp opportunity. Now, so if you look at the 4 hour, we know that we need to go inside this area. So let's see. Let's see the 2 hour. 2 hour, we're coming down. 1 hour, we're coming down. Also, we got the pullback. Yeah, at this stage, I wouldn't do anything because we don't have a lot of room here. We got this minor support. So scalp wise, I would also wait to be in that box. I would not short it. It's not like last week where we had room to short it to the H4 golden zone or the daily golden zone. We had room to scalp it, but here, not so much. So scalp wise, I will wait to be in that box, okay, or reject this resistance here on H4. Okay, so one of the two. So we'll see. We'll see. But right now we have no sign of coming up, and shorting it right now, I don't know. It's just like, yes, we might go deeper, but I have a good feeling that we're gonna reject this area. So yeah, so I'm not gonna attempt anything here on the scalp wise. So we're gonna go take a look at gold and some other scalp opportunity and swing. Let's go see if we have any question, comments, guys. Don't forget, as you come in, to smash the like button. We're back at it. We're back streaming, so I need your help to spread the word. Let's see. Hugo, what's up? Hello, Sasha. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. I actually slept well yesterday, so finally, because it's been a couple of nights. I had like rough nights. It's like, oh, I was sleeping pretty bad. But now we're good. All right, so now we got Entity CAD. Entity CAD, yes, still in that trade since yesterday. So let's talk about it. So if you look here, so the weekly. So if you look, the weekly is bullish. Okay, and the reason why it's because we didn't broke that low and we didn't broke that high, so we didn't create a new high. So anything in between is just market structure. Yes, it looks like bearish, but it's totally bullish at the moment. But there's a chance we're continue down inside that golden zone. So I'm very careful of this and know this. But since we rejected this major QP pretty strong, I was like, all right, so maybe from there we can create a new high and break and continue to the upside. Okay. But for now, I'm being super careful because I know that's why I went half risk on that one. Even if the weekly was still bullish, I was like, you know what? That's just like, don't go crazy here. But if you look the daily, then the reason why I got in it's because the daily finally went bullish. Okay, because if you look here, the daily was bullish here. Okay, here we got the infamous shampoo pattern, and we finally broke the neckline, and we flipped bearish. Okay, we flipped bearish, and finally we bam, broke here, broke that structure right here and became bullish. We got the retest of this resistance and push up. Okay, so this was the whole idea here. And if you look now on the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame was bullish here, went bearish by breaking this low. And once we broke this elbow right here, we became bullish. Okay. So what I did is I waited for the lower time frame to have a retest. Where was it here? Right here. Was it on 30 minute? I think it was on a 30 minute. Yeah, correct. So it was on a 30 minute. When the 30 minute went bullish, here we go, right here. We got the retest, nice engulfing candle, and this is where I got in, play stop under, and just set and forget, you know. Now we're back at it. The more pips we were was, I think, 28. Was it? 30, 33. Okay, so 33 pips. Now we are at kind of 50. Well, I can look on my screen here. For 13.8 exactly. Whoa, oh, my wire, my camera webcam. God damn, that wire is stuck. Okay, so sorry. I wanted to show you my MT4, but yeah, 13.8 right now. So just gonna let it play out and see how it goes. Got a pretty small stop on that one. It's a 10.1, like 10 pip stop loss. So if we do hit, it's gonna be a 6 to 1. So it's gonna be crazy. But yeah. So right now, I mean, if I look at it, am I stressed? Am I thinking I'm gonna get stopped? Okay, so let's talk about that. Basically, no. I mean, we've been bullish here. Okay, we got the pullback here. Okay, great. So now, if you look on the 2 hour time frame, actually, the 4 hour, the only thing that was sketchy about that trade, I'm gonna tell you guys, it's this. Okay, this this was sketchy because I was like, should I count that as an elbow? Because it's kind of effy, it's not a clean elbow. So what convinces me was like going on a 2 hour, it was more clean. That we had an elbow here, and even on a 1 hour, the 1 hour was bearish. And once we broke here, this is kind of where I said, all right, cool. So now this is clean. Where the 1 hour is going bullish. So yeah, so that's what convinces me to take that trade. But that's the only effy thing about that trade was this elbow, just like nah, you know. But the rest makes sense. So now if you look at it, so if you look at a 4 hour, 4 hour now is having this pullback, right? So we're having this pullback. So if you look at it, if you look at the fib here, we rejected 382 so far. And we might go lower inside that golden zone. I don't know. We'll see. If we do, I'm gonna get stopped, but it is what it is. That's what happened when you don't wait for that pullback on a 4 hour. You can be stopped out. So that's why most of the time I wait for the H4 pullback to enter on a higher low potential. But this one I enter as soon as the H1 went bullish. So that's why also I went half risk. Okay, so that's all those reasons why I decided to take that trade, but went half risk instead of full risk. Okay, so we'll see. 30 minutes looking good now. 30 minute was, hold on, wait a second. Low, boom, 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 elbow. Okay, new low. Boom, went bearish. Okay, here, bullish. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we're still bullish here. So the 30 minute is bullish as we speak. 1 hour, let's take a look. Here, boom, boom, one bearish, one bullish again, and yeah, okay, we should be good now. We got this double bottom also, breaking neckline as we speak. Okay, looks good, looks good. If I get stopped, I get stopped, but it looks good. Okay, so now let's talk about Euro GPP. Okay, guys, if you have any chart you want to look at, you let me know. If you have questions, feel free to ask. And please say hi in the chat as you come in. Let me know where you guys from. Don't forget to smash that goddamn like button. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, so here is Euro GPP, like I said, looking at the weekly chart. And yeah, we broke that support here, which is a pretty strong weekly area of interest. And I'm waiting for that retest. Waiting for that retest. That's why I placed my alert there. Basically, waiting to short that pair. Look like we get that wick retest, but it's not that clean. God damn, the 4 hour is really nice though. Oh shoot, yeah, 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 yeah. That looks pretty dope. What is that black line? Is that what the hell? Why did I put a black line there? Hold on, wait a second. Is that my? Oh, that's the hold on, wait a second. Is it what I think it is? Oh yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, this was the low that needs to be broken. Okay, to create a new low. Okay, so anything between those two black line was just structure. So now we're forming that low. So okay, so now yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna have to wait. Like I'm gonna put that orange, because I might have to wait maybe like 2 3 weeks. Because yes, we had that weekly wick rejection, but I want to see a full retest. A real retest, a legit retest. So if you look here, 1 2, this is the third week. Oh no, so this is the daily chart. Sorry, guys. So if you look on the weekly chart, we might have like maybe 1 week, 2 week, maybe another week, and after that, the same amount of week to come back and retest. So that one, I'm gonna put it down here because it's not gonna happen right now. Yes, for a daily trade, like a day trade, I can do it based on the H4 because we had not even a full pullback, but we had a retest of this support that was broken, nice engulfing candle. There's a way you can take that trade, but not these days. I don't yeah, I wouldn't have taken it. So it looks nice though. It's really, really nice. So now it's too late. So let's stop talking about it. Let's talk about AUD CAD. Okay. Let's see here. Wait a second. I saw comments popping up here. We got I'm not gonna attempt to pronounce your name. Sorry, I don't want to mess it up. But from South Africa, all legions are from South Africa. Let's go, man. um let's go. Okay, so let's see here what we got. We got AUD CAD here. AUD CAD is going bullish as we speak on the weekly. We broke structure right here. We came down. We retested it perfectly. Oh, this is the monthly. Sorry, but same idea. The weekly went bullish also. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. We got a double bottom here. Daily is stuck here. Daily is daily is bearish. Daily is bearish. Hold on. Weekly is bearish. What am I saying? Did I say bullish just before? Sorry, still early. Bearish, I said. Okay, I wanted to say sorry, guys. You can clearly see that it's not bullish, right? So bearish, weekly bearish, daily bearish. Okay, cool, 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 cool. We got the 4 hour. 4 hour is now boom, 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 boom. Bearish, perfect, excellent, excellente. So we got the 4 hour bearish. Let me remove this fib here. It's kind of confusing. Here we go. So let's see here. I placed a note yesterday here. I was waiting for 30-minute bearish engulfing. So let's see on the lower time frame. So we had the 2 hour going bullish and now bearish. Okay. 1 hour. 1 hour. Boom. Went bearish. Now we're definitely bearish on 1 hour. Okay. So I guess we're waiting for the pullback by now. All right, excellent. Damn, it's too bad this wasn't a nice engulfing candle because I would be in that trade right now. Like, this is perfect. So now we're going to move this here. I'm just waiting for this. So let's wait for the... so if we can have a 1 hour here engulfing candle or maybe the 15. Oh, the 15 was nice. 15 was nice. You know what? Let's AUD CAD. AUD CAD, AUD CAD, AUD CAD. Where are you? Where are you? AUD CAD. What the fuck? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna take that trade. Um, where's my UDCAD? Oh, right here. Perfect. Perfecto. Oops. What did I do? Okay. Because basically, I would want to enter right here on the opening of the candle. Oh, fuck. Now it's pumping down. Shit. I'm missing my entry. Let's go. Faster, faster, faster. Open calc. So let's go into 15-minute. Give me one sec, guys. I'm gonna go half risk here since I already have a trade running. So I'm gonna play stop. Stop. Is gonna be above the structure because this is where it's gonna go bullish. Yeah. So it's gonna be a 20 pip stop loss. So let's go for 3, 2, 1. But it will establish the TP after on trading view. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so I did enter right here. What is, oops, wrong side. What is my entry? Entry is 090499. 90499. Right here. Cool. Stop. I place stop above this structure, which is 9702. 90. Oh, right. I'm right on it almost. 702. Right here. I can extend that a bit, but whatever. And right now, I'm just going to go for a 3-2-1, but let's take a look at where we can go here. On the 4 hour. Oh, yeah, okay. That makes sense. 80. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's cool. We can do it 3-2-1. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, so yeah, so I'm in. And of course the 15 for me is not that great. This is also the other reason why I don't want to go full risk on that one. I prefer when it's a 30-minute or a 1 hour in golfing, in all honesty. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, so excited. I think it's one of the rare time when we have a swing happening on the live stream. You guys give me 1 second. Sorry, guys. Okay. So yeah, so it's not often that the swing trade idea happened during the live stream. So pretty happy to have one ish. You know, it's not the perfect setup, but we shall see. All right, let's go take a look at Euro GPY. All right, cool. So now if you look at the weekly time frame here, we are bullish, right? We are in the pullback right now of the weekly time frame. Um, let me see here. I saw a bubble popping. Set and forget. Yeah, correctly. Set and forget, man. Shout out to Alex for this mentality. I kind of adopted it, and yeah, fits well with the way I want to live my life now. Spending less time on the chart, which is perfect. Uh, Spending less time on the chart, less time on socials. You know, more time, more quality time with my people. I think too many traders like trying to flex shit and don't really enjoy their life. But just my thinking. All right, so now if you look at the daily chart, daily chart is bullish. We had the pullback. Now we reject this previous structure that we broke, and now we retested it. But now it look like now we're coming back down under. That's why here you see this note on the 4 hour. I was actually waiting, for this H4. I was waiting for this H4 candle yesterday to close above here to go bullish. But since this didn't happen, we're still bearish. So that's why right now I'm not interested in this trade. I need the H4 to go bullish. Okay. I need H4 to go bullish. And at the moment, it's not. So it might look like we might have a deeper pullback from the weekly time frame. So if you look here, let's see. Let's give us an idea on where we might go. So we might go up to the weekly area of interest as I established, which is also in line with the weekly golden zone, which is perfect. Damn. Yeah, that was going to be fire. So I'm going to place this art just above here. So I have time to react here. So I'm going to say your GPY at weekly area of interest. There we go. Plus entering weekly GZ. For me, it's adding confluence, and which is also this shit's gonna be a magnet because look at this. This is also what is it? Can anyone tell me what is this? This is a major QP. Oh, everything in line. So which is yeah, dude. If price reject from that, guys, like it might take a couple weeks, but when this shit's gonna get there, we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. Um, Not with a crooked arrow though, but kind of fucked it up. Whatever. So yeah. So yep. So this is still interesting, but now I'm gonna put it blue because it's not that close to happen, and I'm gonna put it down a little bit. But yeah. Any questions so far? I think we're good. Okay. Um, GA. GA. I used to be scalping a lot, GA, so we'll see if we have any scalping opportunity. Look at the weekly. Weekly, we are bullish. We have this pullback. Let's see here. Boom. We are right inside that golden zone right now. We are right inside that golden zone. We are retesting previous structure that was broken on the weekly time frame. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily, we destroyed the first area that was interested. So I'm going to delete that. We are inside that daily golden zone. Let's extend that a bit. We are the weekly area of interest, like we mentioned. Yep, right here, which is not a weekly area of interest. Hold on, let's extend to the left. Let's see here. Yeah, support here, resistance. Yeah, not that much. It's more like a previous structure that was broken. It's not as solid as an area of interest, so I shouldn't be labeled this, but whatever. Actually, let's remove it. Just put sold. Here you go. Perfect. So now from here, looking at the daily is bullish. Okay, we got a pullback. 4 hour now. 4 hour is bearish. So by now we need to have the 4 hour to flip bullish. Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna place an alert here and says that's gonna be saying H4 flipping bullish. Okay. So once we're going to be breaking that, I'm going to wait for retest or pullback and going to get in that trade. So that one is not close to happen either. So I'm going to put it blue now. So everything changed. USD GPY. USD GPY. There's a lot of people that was interested in USD GPY, but I wasn't. I don't know. I wasn't. The reason why it's because, well, first the weekly. All right, so the weekly is the weekly is bearish at the moment. This no, we broke that elbow. Okay, so yeah, that's the sketchy thing here. It's this elbow again. When it's not super clean, I don't like it. But yes, technically, if you count this as an elbow, now you're bullish on the weekly. But I don't know. Just personally, I hate those booby trap candle. It's not clean. Okay. If you do look at the daily though, if you look at the daily went bearish and now bullish. Okay. Now we got the retest of this area. So I think for a day trade, it makes sense more than a swing. So we got a retest of the daily area of interest, which is perfect. We got the 4 hour. 4 hour went bearish and now bullish. And here, I know there's a lot of people who took that trade. Um, I don't know, just that weekly thing kind of threw me off. But yeah, so now by now to be in that trade here, let's see, bullish. Here we went bearish. Here bullish again. Now we got a pullback. So I don't know, man. It's not clean right now. 1 hour. We're just stuck in that freaking range right now. So yeah, for me now it's a no-go. It's just like I want to be out of this thing. Let's take a look at the 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour, nice pullback. Let's do something. But we got so many pairs that we don't have to force a trade. That's the beauty of looking at more pairs when you're swing trading it. But I just want to push the analysis, okay? Just for you guys. So if you look at this is the H4 golden zone. So now let's go look on the 30-minute. You see, we broke down here. We got, okay, fuck it. No, this is no good. Here, we got a maybe head and shoulder. So I don't know, man. Nope, not interested. So this, boom, I'm going to remove this. Pow, down here in the penalty box. So, all right, guys, don't forget, as you come in, smash this like button, guys. All right, let's go. Where we at? Where we did GA, we did Euro GPY, NZD GPY. Okay. Okay, so looking at the weekly time frame here on NZD GPY, we are bullish. We are bullish. This is amazing. Perfect. Okay, excellent. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily is bullish. We broke a previous structure, which is also a nice area of interest. If you look here, resistance, resistance. We got support, support, so pretty strong area. I like this. I like this a lot. Now we have this pullback coming down. So this is what I'm waiting for. This is why I said NZD GPY at daily area of interest. So that's why I got my alert here. But this is not close to happen. So I'm going to put it blue. But this one is cleaner than the two other ones. So I'm going to put it here. Yeah, but it does look very nice. Okay, very promising trade here. 4 hour is bullish. So now we can have this pullback. Let's take a look here, which is perfect. This area is also in confluence with the golden zone area, which is the 382. So perfect. That's an add in confluence. Perfect. So we'll wait for that. Let's do this arrow here. So I do remember what I'm looking for. Um, Actually, let's put DH for golden zone also. Boom. Boom. Guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Boom. H4, 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 golden zone. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, so this looks pretty good also. This is clean. This is clean. It's not close to happen. It's on the way to happen. That's why you need to be patient. You need to be patient with those things. Okay. Um, okay, so we did GA, we did Euro GPY. Let's go to GU. All right, so weekly. You see, I'm not hiding anything for you guys. I'm giving you everything for free. Okay? Free. Free shit. So you better smash this like button, guys. Once a week. Once a week for free, guys. So, all right. So GU, big push up on the weekly. Look at this. Look, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 week pushing up. Jeez. So we don't know. We might continue up also. So we just don't know. If you look at the daily though, daily, we broke structure. And now look like we're coming down to retest. Let me remove this. When was that? Oh yeah, that was last week. Okay, so I can remove that. Okay, so now if you look on the daily, let's do this. We might have this fib level here. Daily golden zone. There we go. Perfect. Let's remove this. Excellent. So, which is also the 382 is going to be in confluence with the previous structure that was broken, which is perfect. I place my alert here. So we'll see if we'll reject there or if we go deeper inside the day golden zone. Yeah. So let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour is still bull. Yo, 4 hours bearish now. Okay, we broke that low right here. So establish new high, new low, boom, boom, boom. All right, cool. So I'm gonna be waiting basically for 4 hour to go back bullish, and after that I'm gonna be looking to take it to the upside. So once again, I'm gonna put that blue. And I'm gonna leave it there. So yeah, so a lot of things is setting up as we speak. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's see. Euro AUD. All right, so the weekly is bullish. Very nice. Very nice. You see, I draw this arrow like 2 weeks ago. I drew this arrow 2 weeks ago. Actually, more than that. I actually drew this arrow probably like 5 weeks ago. Once we broke here, I draw this arrow. I was waiting for a retest. Retest of previous structure, which is also a weekly area of interest. If you look here, we got a resistance, 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 resistance. Again, support, 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 support. I mean, this is a major area of interest. Okay, so this is pretty good. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily, we broke previous structure, so let's remove this. So it's not in our vision. Let's remove this. All right, cool. So now the daily did close yesterday bearish. Okay, so we did close under the support, making it bearish now. So now we need to wait for the daily to flip bullish. I'm actually going to place a note here, so I remember. Need to wait for daily to go bullish again. So this is not close to be ready. So I'm gonna put that orange, and I'm going to move that down. But it looks like it might play out in the next couple of days. G we did. Let's do cat GPY. Cat GPY. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. What did I do? Whoa. What happened there? I don't know what happened. That was weird. Okay, cat GPY. So if you look here, the weekly went bearish here, bullish. Okay, so weekly is bullish. We got a nice weekly area of interest here. So as you can see, I put my alert. I'm waiting for that. Also waiting for, like, if you look at the daily went bullish. We got a pullback. And we rejected the safety net here. So if we put our fib, you'll see, boom, we rejected the safety net, nice, and a nice doji here rejection, perfect. I was not able to take the trade because I was actually waiting for H4 to go bullish and have a pullback, and that never happened yet. So H4 went bullish, and now this is why I placed that note here. Yesterday I put that note here. I was like, wait for a H4 high low potential, and this is what we're probably getting today. So we'll see. But yeah, this I'm actually gonna move it up here, boom, because this is closer to the other one to happen. Okay. So yeah, this looks promising also. So very nice. I'm gonna be waiting for that. But to have that, to have this, high low potential, there's a good chance here. Well, we're gonna have to close under this support. So H4 will be bearish. I'm gonna be needed to wait for H4 to go also bullish after, and after wait for H4 to flip bullish again. Euro AUD, we did it. Yes. Euro GBP, we did it. NZD USD, we did it. Did we? Wait a second. Did we? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, this is not close to happen. Okay. AUD CHF, I think, yeah. Weekly area of interest, retest done. Now got to watch daily. If close above structure, we'll have to wait for the daily to go back bearish. You see, this is why I place notes sometimes, because if not, you have to redo the analysis completely. Okay, so here we got a weekly bearish, and let's go check out the daily. Did the daily close? The daily did close above. Okay. So the daily did close above. So now the daily is bullish. Okay. So I'm going to change that. Now got to, yeah, that's it. To go back bearish again. Yeah, that's it. So now I got to, so we can remove this. Boom. So weekly area retest done. Now we'll have to wait for the daily to go back bearish again. There we go. Perfect. So let's put this here. Perfect. Man, hopefully you guys learning a lot. Let me know if you guys learned a thing or two today this morning, if it helps. Anything you want me to talk about or to explain more, let me know. USD GPY we did. USD CAD. Let's do USD CAD. Actually, what time is it? 8:15. Okay, hold on. Let's go back to GJ for 1 sec. We need to go check gold also. All right, so look like H4 now is coming down. Oh, AUD CAD, what's going on here? AUD CAD is not playing nice at the moment, but it is what it is. Okay, so daily. Okay, let's take a look at the H4. Yeah, we're still waiting. We're still waiting. Actually, I should place an alert here. To there we go. H4. Perfect. Okay. So now let's go back to USD CAD. All right. So weekly is do 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 do. I hate those fucking elbow, those small elbow. I just don't like it. Just like technically we're bearish, but we broke back again above this one, so technically we are bullish. The daily is bearish. Okay, okay. No, whoa. What am I saying? No, daily is bullish. Okay. Hold on. Wait a second. Nice. Yeah, I don't like USD CAD at the moment. Yeah, we're gonna check to another pair. I just don't like it. It's not clean enough. Real flex. What do you think buying NZD GPY above 85,803 if it doesn't retest previous daily resistance? NZD GPY. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay, so you said above 85. 85,803. 85,803. But the problem is if you buy it there, if it doesn't retest if it doesn't retest data resistance, I'm not taking it, you know. Because the problem is if you buy here, you already at the top. You already at the top. So yes, you can have a small retest and a push up maybe sometimes, but you're already right here creating a new high. So it's just a matter of time before you get that pullback down in being stopped or being in drawdown for days. I prefer entering on a higher low than on a higher high. So that's why I would definitely wait. If it breaks there, awesome. If it push up, awesome. If it takes off like crazy, cool. I'm just waiting for this here to go up. That's it. Because anything that goes up at one point needs to go down. You know how market works, guys. If you've been looking at chart for a little while, you know. Don't stress, don't rush, don't FOMO in. Just don't. If it's a nice retest, if it's a solid area, there's going to be a retest and push up. But here, 85,800 is nothing crazy. If you look here left, I mean, not much. No, nothing. So you see, yeah, there's a big chance it's either going to continue up or just like come back down, create a higher low to push up eventually. So that's why I'm not saying it's bad. It might work. If you wait for a break, retest, and push up, you can grab a couple pips, probably, maybe a good move also. But for me, in my trading plan, is wait for the pullback. Okay, wait for a pullback. Sometimes when it's a nice area of interest, I'll wait for the break and retest. But most of the time, I wait for the pullback, or it's gonna be a break retest on 4 hour and wait for the low, for the higher low. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Um, does that answer your question, Real Flex? If not, let me know. I'm gonna try to explain differently. Sometimes the Frenchy trying to translate, right? So it's hard sometimes. Let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. All right, so weekly here is definitely bullish, right? We are at all-time high, I think, if I'm not wrong, or very close to it, very close to all-time high. Most of the time, when the monthly or the weekly, if you look at the weekly, also, there's never been. Oh, did last week close above? Holy, hold on, wait a second. Oh. Oh shit. Yeah, last week we did close above. It was the monthly. The monthly never closed above 2000 yet. So it would be a first if this monthly club, but we still have like 20 days, 21 days, whatever. Uh yeah. But if this close above, it's gonna be an all-time high. Right now, the all-time high, even for the wick, is 2074. We're very close. We went very close to it. But anyways, now if you look at the weekly, weekly is definitely bullish. Daily is bullish. Now we got to pull back on the daily. Let's see here. Very nice inside that golden zone. Nice rejection. Let's go take a look at 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish. Okay, so 4 hour is bearish now. So yeah, I would not take a buy now for swing. I would wait for H4 to go bullish. Now let's see if we have a scalp opportunity here. Let's see. 2 hours bullish, 1 hour. All right, so 1 hour, we might see a nice scalp opportunity here. We'll see. If we can have like, oh, look at this. This is perfect. If we can have a pullback here, which is also a break retest of previous structure, 30-minute. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. I'll wait for the 30 minutes is bullish, 1 hour is bullish. So I wait for like my entry signal in here, and we'll see. We might have a little scalp opportunity here. Easy. Here we go. Oops. Real Flex, thanks, Chief. Oh, you're welcome, bud. You're welcome. Don't forget to smash that like button, share the good news. And yeah, gold still bearish on H1. Oh, hold on. Did I make a mistake? Did a mistake? Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh yeah, you're damn right. You're damn right. H1 is bullish. Yeah. H1 was bullish all day, every day. Yeah, because we didn't hold on, wait a second. No. Wait a second. Here, I'm visual. So we're still bullish here. And we went bearish here. Oh, hold on. We went bearish here. So we broke that low on H1. We went bearish. Anyways, doesn't matter because anything in between here is just market structure. So H1 is bearish. God damn. Yeah. Damn. 2 hours at this double top here. Boom, boom. Went bearish. Yeah, still bearish. Anything in between those two high and low are just structure. So sorry guys for the confusion here. Sometimes it can be confusing. So that's why you need to draw those arrow or place lines, visually I like to do this. So I'm going to be placing those rays, and I say, all right, cool. So anything in between those two lines are just market structure. We are bearish right now on the H1, right? So but yeah. But anyways, the 4 hour, the daily are bullish. The 2 hour is still bearish also. But yeah, I think for quick scalp, it still makes sense. For quick scalp to go to the upside still makes sense. Grab like a 20 pips on gold. It's pretty quick. So 20, 25 pips. I think if we hit this, I did that many time, and it worked pretty well. So you don't have to have all those time frame in sync for quick scalp, which is the difference um, with a swing. Okay, so you go. But the overall structure is bullish, so it makes sense to take a buy. Yeah, especially for a quick scalp with this, like the way that gold's playing right now. Also the clean traffic should be fill the gap to previous lower high. Totally, totally. Okay, so where are we at? We are at Euro and ZD. I don't think there's anything nice now. After those right now, we went inside a golden zone right now. I was expecting a rejection here, but we went lower. Did we respect the safety net? Let's see. So we are still inside that golden zone. Okay. I mean, kind of. Um, we're not a safety net yet. Okay. So now we just gotta wait for the daily to go back bullish, right? So now daily boom, 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 boom went bearish. So now I gotta wait for daily to go push again. So this is not even close to be ready. So that's why it's down here. GBP weekly, horrible, daily, nasty. Fuck it. Euro USD. I feel like puking. AUD GPY. Okay, okay, okay. AUD GPY still bearish. We destroyed the weekly golden zone. Did we respected the safety net? Oh, we respected the safety net so far. Okay. Daily. Daily is daily is bullish at the moment. So gotta wait for the daily to go bearish. So that's why wait for daily to go bearish. So that's not close to happen. GBP NZD. I used to love GBP NZD, but lately it's just like been shit. But weekly is bullish. We got to pull back now. Daily is bearish, so no, nothing interesting. And AUD USD is horrible. Fuck that. What about Solana? Solana. Oh shit, man, I need to buy some. Fuck, I missed my entry. God damn it! It was at 20. Sasha, you should have bought yesterday. Okay, I'm buying some Solana right now. Should I buy what? How much I got here? All right, so I'm gonna use that to $1,000 right here, and I'm gonna buy some Solana. Gotta buy BTC first. Maximum. Sorry, guys, give me 1 sec. Confirm. Bear with me. I'm gonna be right back. Portfolio. Deposit. BTC. Yo, I think my son went back to bed. Hold on. Give me 1 sec here. I need to wake this little guy. Continue. All right. $1,000 BTC bought. Now I need to transfer this. into Solana, send to Binance. Here we go. It's so complicated in Canada for this shit. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, that's what I thought. He fell back sleeping. God damn it! I'm gonna have to go drop him at the school. Okay, so we'll see here. Okay, so what's next? What's next? What's next? What is next? Okay, let's take a look at GJ. GJ, like I said, the other thing I'm going to be looking for, maybe for GJ, okay, the scalp I'll be doing is the H4 dogtail setup, like I've been doing like a couple times last week. So I'm going to be waiting for the previous, what am I saying? For the next H4 candle to create the wick. If we create the wick up and break the low here, I might take it down to enter that golden zone and exit, quick scalp. But I don't like the fact that this candle didn't broke previous low. So kind of effy. It did broke previous high. So are we rejecting the 382 here on a H4 fib? Oh, look like my dog's crying. It wants to go outside. So look like we're rejecting a 382, which is also previous resistance. So yeah, no, I'm not going to be interested in that scalp. Yeah. I'm going to wait. I need to wait for H4 to go bullish again. Actually, H4 is bullish right now. We didn't broke any low here. So let's go take a look at the 30-minute and 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, this H1 is not super nice right now, but yeah, I guess we gotta wait. Because right now, I mean, if you look at the 30-minute is bearish, right? So I need the 30-minute to go bullish. So we need to break this here. So I'm gonna place an alert here that's gonna say 30-minute going bullish. And this is where I'm gonna be starting to look at entry. I'm going bullish. But we might go deeper also. So, but I just want to place that alert there. So if I'm doing something else, I can come back to the chart and look at it. That's why since I've been working with alerts, it's been helping so much, so much. Yo, NZD CAD went back to entry almost. God damn it! Like we had a nice little push up here this morning. Like we went almost back to where I was yesterday. But 30-minute looks, did we close above? Oh, thank God. So this one closed above. So look like this is the pullback. Okay. So we're still good. AUD CAD is now in profits. So we'll see how it goes. We shall see. If you look at the 1 hour, 1 hour did close doji previously, which is good. Now we did broke the low, so there's a good chance we didn't broke previous high here. So there's a good chance we continue down now by this stage. If this thing give me an opportunity to add a second position, I might with a better confirmation because yeah, because the thing is I don't like to enter the 15-minute, but I did. 30-minute was just a small doji rejection. 1 hour is not an engulfing. 2 hours, like if that 2 hours candles maybe close engulfing, I might add a position. Yeah, and extend TP too. But yes, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll post some updates there and there. Any question, guys? Any questions? Let me know. Any questions? Because I might have to go. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I need to make sure this kid is getting to school right now. So, all right. So this is good. This is good. Perfect. That's a good question here. How often you analyze the charts? Mostly on Monday morning or Sunday nights. Depends. If I don't have supper or dinner with the family. But either Sunday night or Monday morning, I do all my analysis. Um, and I go revisit them like almost like every morning just to see if anything changed, like I did this morning. So it took me like probably like how long it's been like I don't know, maybe an hour. So but because I'm explaining more stuff to you, when I'm alone, I'm doing that very quickly, probably like 30 minutes ish, just to revisit all my charts to make sure everything is good. But after that, I don't do it. Just like my alerts are set, my notes are done. So yeah, yeah. So I don't place my notes on Monday because I want to do it in front of you guys. So most of the time, so yeah, so that's about it. So yeah, guys, cool. Thanks for the stream. You're welcome. You go. Thank you for coming in, guys. Very appreciate you here this morning. It's build back on the stream, so we need to build back the stream. We're getting more views now, and slowly but surely we're gonna get back those hundreds and thousand people that was on the stream before. Because yes, if you look at prior, like from last year or 2 years ago, we had like hundreds, thousand people. So just need you guys to keep smashing that like button, and we're gonna get the algorithm going again. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Super appreciate the fact that you were here this morning, and I'll see you on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. So don't miss Thursday night at 6 p.m. Eastern. I do a recap of all my trades that I took during the week and from Friday. I did trade Friday that I'm going to explain on Thursday night. Bring a drink with you. We're just going to have fun, have a drink all together, and talk about Forex. All right, guys. So thank you so much for being here. Peace out. Take care. Have a great day.